Hey everybody, welcome to my video today. Just jumping on here real quick, won't take much of your time. Just really wanted to welcome you for taking this first step and getting in and taking a look at the training that's coming up. As I said in my post, this training really is from Traffic Domination Network, and it's complete free training. You go through the whole basic training with Traffic Domination, which is all about list building. So, as you know, one of the best ways to start and get started online is to actually create an email list and do email marketing. And that way you can actually build up a nice list, and then you can send offers to people on your list as well. So the whole part of the first basic training is 11 videos, and you go through the whole 11 videos and you learn all the basics, all the fundamentals about building a list and getting it started online. You learn about sales funnels, opt-ins, you learn about optimizing traffic, you learn all the fundamental stuff that you need to know. And once you've done that, then you know if you're really excited, you really like it, and you think it's a good thing, which nearly everybody does, right? So then you go on and you take the advanced training. The advanced training is also free, and there's once you've gone through part of the advanced training, Traffic Domination Network actually gives you 100 free trial clicks so that you can actually start adding some contacts to your list. I'll give you further support about using Aweber, because that's my email autoresponder, and I can give you other training as well with regards to setting up your funnels, your optimization funnels and stuff like that. But it's all very easy, all very simple, and Traffic Domination have their own Biz-Ops and MMO offer site as well. And this site actually is free to join, so you can we'll hook you up inside there. And inside there you'll find there's a host of offers within the making money online Biz-Op space, and these are the offers that you'll be sending to your people on your list, and they'll be actually signing up. They'll be clicking on those offers, and they'll be signing up on those offers. And for every offer, obviously, they purchase and they sign up for, then you get a commission, an affiliate commission for that. So the whole program is really, really good. It's a whole total package. So you've got your offers, you've got your training and everything else. And then Wayne's just launched an awesome program, and it's the 30 days email journey hacks, which is something you can sign up for once you've done all the training as well. Once you get a bit more advanced and stuff, and you say you want more training, you're really hungry, you don't want to carry on finding stuff online, all these shiny objects and stuff. You want to stick with one thing and one program. Then here's a whole series of programs that you can do that can help you get your sales online and get you to make money online. So really excited to have you here. Looking forward to working with you throughout the training. And as I said, once you've gone through the training, drop me an email. I'll put my links below as well. Drop me an email. Say I'm on board. I'm on the Traffic Domination Network. I've signed up. Awesome. Connect with me on Facebook. And then I'm going to be doing Facebook Lives with people that have signed up and people that are on the training. And if you get stuck on any time, any part of the training, drop me a message in Messenger, and I'll get back to you, and I'll help you, get sorted. All right? So until then, the next step really is just to click on the link below, and that'll take you to a login page. You need to put in your email information there, and then we will email you all the information about getting started. And look forward to seeing you on the inside. All right? So have a good day. Thanks very much.